Hello, this is phone surgeon Sutton in Ashfield. Today we receive an Oppo A5 Pro 5G with a broken screen. We're going to be changing the screen today, and here we started with by taking out the back glass. We're going to remove the board and everything. We're going to remove the battery also. We disconnected the battery connectors first and then remove the battery. Look at the SIM tray so there's no obstacle while taking out the board. And we remove the battery. We bring out the new screen. You can see it's all good quality service pack screen. And there we are trying to change everything back. This is the new screen. We're fixing back everything back to its original position. We just first of all make sure we clear everything that was all the labels and stickers that was used to protect the screen while in transit. And we start fixing the board, connect the connectors, and then we put back the battery seal, the charging port, and voila, the phone is good and ready to go. We put all the screws back, turn on the phone just to make sure it turns on before we screw completely. Voila, now we can test. Phone is all working perfectly and is ready for the customer. Thank you very much. So as regards phone, just come to Phone Surgeon at any point in time. We assure you of good quality service with original parts. Thank you.